Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I am in New York City. Today I am at the Bernic Hotel. This is a Hilton property, and as you know, I'm a proud Hilton Diamond member. This is a hosted stay in partnership with Hilton, and I'm so excited to share this hotel with you. We're on the 19th floor here on 47th Street. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful room here. This is probably the cleanest hotel room I have ever seen. It smells amazing, honestly, and you know I travel a lot. I have really never stepped into a room and felt like it was spotless. This hotel is very, very well done. The staff is amazing, and I'm going to give you a peek at this room. As you can see, nice big bed, wonderful view of the city, which I'll take you to look at that in a minute. The bathroom is beautiful. Everything you could need here. Love the shower. Let's see if I can give you a peek in here. Again, super clean. I love to talk about that when I find a property that is so well kept, because it just means the world to me when I travel. So nice big television set there, and then you've got your cupboard, your closet here, your safe, ironing board, umbrella, and there is a balcony here. Get out here into the city. It's kind of a rainy, overcast day, but still a fantastic view. That is 3rd Avenue right down there, and we're on 47th. So as you can see, it's a great location. Just so much to see and do here, and this balcony is fantastic. And there's another balcony right over there, so I'll take you over and show you what that looks like. Anyway, just like fantastic. The architecture and design on this hotel is beautiful as well. So you've got your full-length mirror right here, and then over here, I love this little work area. Got kind of a private little area where I'm going to sit and get some work done today. You've got your espresso machine. There's a refrigerator, a nice little desk area, some reading, and again, another awesome view of the city out here on this balcony. So fun, and I can't imagine how amazing this would be in the different seasons of the year. It's kind of cold right here now, but still beautiful. In the summer, this would be amazing to sit out here. But there you go. Wanted to make sure you saw this, and I will include more information about this hotel. But this is the Bernic here in New York City. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.